You rarely see this kind of opportunity here on YouTube. Now, something strange is happening on YouTube, which is what I have come to share with you in this video. If you take a look at your home feed, you find out that a whole lot of young channels, I mean channels that are below 100 subscribers, 200 and 300 subscribers, are being showed on your home feed on your YouTube channel. Now, I am going to be sharing the reason with you. Now, what is happening on YouTube is that there is an update in the YouTube algorithm. So you have to stay tuned to the end of this video in order to get value for your time. And by the end of this video, your eyes is going to be open to a whole lot of ideas and you are going to make a lot of money. So hello guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. It's Chomsy 2000. Do well to subscribe, hit the like button and the notification bell to get notified anytime a new video drops. So there is an update in the algorithm and small channels are being pushed out. Now one may wonder how come that small channels below 100, 200, 300 subscribers or even 1000 subscribers that are not even yet monetized are being pushed out. The staff in YouTube was interviewed recently and he said that they have a content team that tend to help them fish out these small channels with similar content that resonates people and they are being pushed out. You will just wonder how come, why are they pushing these small channels and making them get a lot of views? Because these people are just starting YouTube. If they get a lot of views, will they be able to continue creating same content and growing their career on YouTube? Now the answer to that is that yes, if my channel is to be pushed out, I will continue creating that content and that content is also going to help me make money along the line. Now, the purpose of YouTube is to make money. YouTube itself is creating an opportunity for small channels to be seen, otherwise encouraging other small channels or people who want to start up a YouTube channel to come up with their ideas, and this will go a long way to help. But the thing there is, what is so similar with these channels? Now, I have taken a look at some of these channels that are being pushed to my home feed and I just realized that something similar. They have content that will keep you watching. They have content that will make you want to come back to their channel or even subscribe, thereby helping them get their watch hours and also helping them get monetized and get money on YouTube. So you may wonder how come, how are they doing this thing? Recently, I visited the trend in YouTube, in my YouTube trend, and I found out that a channel with 1,200 subscribers is on the trend, and this will go a long way to help that particular channel to grow. So now what do? This is just what I categorize into what I called 3R. Now I am going to explain this to you. The first R represents research. Now, if you're a new YouTuber or you're on YouTube, you are not growing, I would just advise you to follow this method of 3R. It will go a long way to help you. Now, the first R that represents research, what you are going to do is that you are going to make a research on your niche. So you are going to check those who have been on your niche with at least 50,000 to 100,000 subscribers. Okay, you are going to go check out their videos, check out what they are doing on their videos, check out the uniqueness of that video, what is making them get subscribers. All right, once that is done, you are going to move to YouTubers, big YouTubers that are on your niche. Now you are going to check out their videos. Let's say choose 3 big YouTubers, 3 of them. Once you check out their videos, you are going to look at the best performing video on that particular YouTuber's channel. Okay, once that is done, if you check out those videos, watch those videos. So if you think that that is going to take a whole lot of your time, why don't you just go to the scripts of that video and read through it? Pick out the unique aspect of that video, the points that resonate people in that video. All right, once you have done that in those 3 YouTubers videos, now you are going to go down to their comment section. Do you know that there are comments that people tend to like or comment? That comment is tips for you, is like a hack for you. Now once you check out, if it's a question that person is asking and people are answering that question, go and pick your bullet points from there. Now you pick those points and form your own scripts. When you form your own script, you make sure that you are going to also optimize your titles, your thumbnails and all. Once you have made all this research, it's going to move on to the second R. The second R is what I simply call refine. All right, so you are going to refine those bullets that you have, those bullet points that you have chosen, and you are going to put it into your own script. So you are going to, you are going to read that script, you are going to study that script, and you are going to refine that script in your own way. In other words, you are going to recreate that script. So if you are in the travel niche, you are going to, study about traveling and the best way to get the cheapest flight while traveling. Now, if that alone will resonate people to want to watch, okay, I want to get the cheapest flight anytime I'm flying, this will help me save a lot of money. So you see that people are going to watch that video. But if you are in the tutorial niche, please, you have to put your videos in a chronological order. In other words, you are going to put your videos in a step-by-step order. This is because once you create value, once you are able to answer anybody's question, because the reason why people come to YouTube is to seek for answers. Once you are able to add value, once you are able to answer any logical question from anybody, you found out that the viewer will remain there. So if you are doing a tutorial niche, you will do it a step-by-step way, just like the way I am doing on this video, on how that person can get results. You are also going to, like I said, you are going to add your story on or a story from somebody's life. You are going to add an experience, something that can resonate that viewer, something that can make that viewer remain in that particular video in order to find solution to that problem. Okay, so this moves us to the third R. Now the third R is what I refer to as retain. This is what you have to do. Now, most of the times, the reason why people just wipe away from our videos is because of the intro. And the best way to start an intro is to start it with a question. Now, you are starting your YouTube videos, try as much as possible to open a loop. What I mean by opening a loop is you are going to ask a question that will spark curiosity. That, like for instance, if you are in the travel niche, you can just start by telling your viewers, oh, do you know that you can book cheaper flights and save a whole lot of money? I am going to be showing you how you can do that just with this secret website. All right, so you see that viewer will want to know, okay, what is the secret website? Because everybody want to save money, everybody want to get the best with just a little amount of money and a little amount of time. Okay, now, so but the problem is when you open this loop, don't just continue with another story and you will not answer that question. That viewer might watch that video. Once they could not get value, they will swipe away, they won't come back to that channel. So when you open this loop, in the midway of that video, make sure you answer that question. So once that is done, you can open multiple loops and continue answering those questions as you proceed in your videos. In the tutorial niche, if you tell the viewer that I am going to show you how to do this setting or how to put in this to get views, be sure that you have tried that particular setting and it is not a fail attempt. All right, make sure that what you are dishing out is something that over time that you have tried and it has worked. Okay, so you are just giving them an ideas of how probably they can grow their channel, and this ideas is going to work. I watched a YouTuber's video that said turn on a particular setting and YouTube will push your videos to people who are not your subscribers. I did that and my video got stopped. I was so frustrated and I never visited that YouTuber's channel. All right, even if his videos are popping up, as long as he gave me a wrong information, and I heard some other YouTubers who are complaining of that particular setting they got from him. All right, so this is a no for me and I did not visit his channel. So make sure that what you are dishing out is something that YouTuber will want to come back for anytime they want to watch your videos. Like, okay, I'm going to this channel, I am going to get value for my time, they will definitely come to your channel. Now, I have come to the last point of this particular video, which is like a bonus tip. The reason why you are here on YouTube is to make money, right? Everybody want to make money. And what we look at is subscribers and views. All right, so now if you don't have much subscribers that are going to watch your videos in order to get you views, you will not be able to get that money you are looking for. Or even if you look at the ad revenues, that is why I see some YouTubers who say that, okay, I made this kind of money from YouTube. I tend to look at it that, oh, does it mean there's no money on YouTube? There's money on YouTube. People like Mr. Beast are making a whole lot of money. Now, there you can also be a small channel and make a whole lot of money. That is, if you don't focus on this metric, on these views and subscribers kind of a thing, because most times it's going to look like it's going to frustrate you if you are not getting a lot of views. Some people have more than 30,000 subscribers, but their views are within 1,000, 2,000 views. So those people are going to be making just a little amount of money. So what I recommend is that even below 3,000 subscribers, you need to add something different into your channel. And what is that? You need to go ahead and also look for digital products that you can sell. This is because you can even make 3 times of the amount that you are looking for to make from YouTube views and subscribers from even selling digital products. Okay, because the world is looking for solution. A whole lot of people are looking for solution. All right, there are small YouTubers also are doing trading. People are trading on, they are trading a whole lot online. So it is not all about the views, the subscribers, and the ad revenues that you are going to get here on YouTube. So anytime you show up here on YouTube, make your mind broad. Let your mind not be stationed on, okay, I am going to get monetized and I am also going to make money from getting monetized and getting views. This is how much YouTube pay me. Once you broaden your mind to make more money here on YouTube, YouTube is more like a platform. If you are selling your digital product, if you are doing adverts for companies, you are going to get money, and this will go a long way to help you. Now, are you going to say that it is too late? The year is still very young. This is just the month of March. Don't ever sit down and watch other people make it real big and change their life on YouTube. You too can change your life. So by the end of the year, you'll be thanking yourself that you took this bold step on transforming your life here on YouTube. You can start now, you can start today. So look through my videos and you find out how you can create a YouTube channel, start your YouTube channel. And if you're already here on YouTube, please do well to subscribe, hit the like button and the notification bell to keep getting notified anytime a new video drops on how you can grow your YouTube channel. See you next in our next video. Bye.